All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI Learning Agents project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, I did inform you that I was going to give you a quick update on what I was going to be doing with our learning agents. So this is that update here. I'm not going to be actually running anything. I'm just going to give you a heads up on what we're doing. So I'm going to treat this as as a passion project. As you can see, this is just a rough draft of what I'm going to actually have my agent do. I'm going to be doing a lot of documentation, reading, and just reading up on different aspects of a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, and things of that nature, just so I can get more familiar myself before I actually pass on what I want my agent to do. So as you can see, it is just a rough draft. So I want you to create a cryptocurrency coin using Python. You will cover cryptography functions, blockchain structure, transaction management, and consensus mechanisms. Please add the packages and libraries needed to code this project. The cryptocurrency coin will be named Papi coin, Sniper coin, Uni coin, Casa coin. If there are any errors while running the code, correct them before saving the file. Like I said, this is just a rough draft so I can remind myself of exactly what I want to do until I get more details and more specifications on what to feed my actual agent. So this is the passion project. I don't mind you guys following along with this one. I'll share this with you along every step of the way. I do have two more projects that I'm going to be doing, building agents for that I'm going to keep private, but I can show you what they're going to be. Maybe I'll scroll down a little bit. So these are the other two projects right here that I'm going to be undertaking that I'm going to build agents for specifically. Again, I'm not even going to read this. You can read through it yourself. I'll leave it up on the screen. So yeah, I'm going to share the crypto passion project with you. I'll share that journey with you. But these two here, I'm going to pretty much keep private because I am going to use them as a. I'm not even going to explain all that. Like I said, I'm going to keep that private. These are just going to be the two behind the scene projects that I'm going to be doing. Also, as far as the Unreal Engine, I haven't been inside my Unreal Engine project in a few days, so I am going to be brushing up on that and actually finishing the environment because, as you know, we do have agents that we have to build inside the Unreal Engine also. So I'm going to be focusing on finishing the build with the torches and all of that stuff, and then we're going to dive into the AI learning agents inside the Unreal Engine project. But that's where we're at with that. Like I said, we're actually going to be start the crypto probably project. If not today, I'm not going to do it today because, like I said, I want to get back inside of the Unreal Engine probably for the next day or two and actually get that going so I can get the build finished, and then we can focus on learning how to get the AI agents over to our Unreal Engine project. But as far as our actual learning agents, we're going to have these two here behind the scenes, so you won't see any of this most likely. I will let you follow along with the passion project, which is the cryptocurrency, and yeah. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys, Gucci.